Okay, so here we have the schema for the quizzes, right? That is being written in terms of an array of questions, and those questions have been configured to have foreign keys, right, that are referencing to object instances that represent questions, right? And because we've configured this way, we can now go and ask mongoose to say, hey, I don't just want the strings, right? I don't just want the IDs that presumably refer to other objects. I actually want the object. Retrieve for me that object. Very much like we would do in a relational database. We want to do the joins, right? We have these two collections where one of them has a reference to records in the other collection. We want to do the join. We want to say, hey, I don't just want the foreign key value. I want you to go fetch all the fields that are in the other object that is being referenced, right? So let's do that. So if we go to the quizzes model, so in the quizzes model, the quizzes model here, right? Where we're using the quizzes model in the DAO, the quizzes DAO. There it is, quizzes DAO, right? When we retrieve all these quizzes, what we can do now, this find, we can pipe the result that is coming from that finder. We can pipe it through a populate function. The populate function is almost like the join in a relational database. We can say, hey, you know that field that you have in your schema, that questions field, which is an array of strings? Well, it's actually referencing objects in a different collection. Go fetch them for me. So we can say populate the questions array, right? Populate it, meaning replace all those IDs and give me the actual objects that are in those that are represented by those IDs. So if we restart the server, and we head over now, if we refresh, it's actually not working. What? Oops. Let me stop that here.